herself the queen, crown of gum on a dashboard shrine, red nails on a crooked wheel, speed sign blurring like a broken spine. Empty lane, empty conscience, seatbelt hanging like a dead grapevine, laughs at the warning light, says, I make my own design. Hail, LA queen of the seatbelt, ruler of the buckle undone, high-born outlaw, the asphalt rains till the blue lights come. Bow to the queen of the seatbelt, trading shame for a crooked fun, but the road keeps tallying silence, and the law don't kneel to anyone. Sirens slice the midnight fog, boots and badge and a boards don't stare. He reads numbers off the gun so high they scorch the smoky air. She spits jokes, soft poison, tries to twist him with a fox-glass glare, but his jaw's made of winter, writes her name like a curse right there. Hail, LA queen of the seatbelt, ruler of the buckle undone, high-born outlaw, the asphalt rains till the blue lights come. Bow to the queen of the seatbelt, trading shame for a crooked fun, but the road keeps tallying silence, and the law don't kneel to anyone. Click of morals sold for cash. Ellie stands, phone and trembling fingers, shadows framed in a flickering screen, golden shoes, painted toes, last cheap trick for a fallen queen. Hey! 6 months of walking, dust in her teeth, boot leather burning on the broken stone, while back home little wheels roll slow, tiny car near a garden gnome, daughter buckled like a knight in silver, plastic armor in the evening glow, last hope humming in a backyard kingdom, for a torn up land she'll someday tow. Hail, LA queen of the seatbelt, ruler of the buckle undone, high-born outlaw of the asphalt rains till the blue lights come. Bow to the girl in the backyard, little spark in a toy-made throne, keep that crown clipped across your shoulder, you might drive us all back home. Hail the queen of the seatbelt, clip it, hold on tight. Rust and rubber, saints and sinners, one small latch against the night.